Hi everyone, Tasha here for Kat Scrappiness, and today I'm introducing the new Santa Helper stamp set and coordinating die set. Let me give you a close-up of this cute new stamp set. So we have 4 different main images on this set. We have the little girl and boy holding up a sign, a little North Pole sign, a little girl elf with a jack-in-a-box, and then a little boy elf with gifts. In addition, we have 8 sentiments, and then the coordinating die set cuts out all the images and the sentiments, which is really fun. We're going to go through all of these stamps together. The first one is the little girl elf, and again, she's holding the little jack-in-a-box toy. She's so cute with her little outfit on, and I love those shoes. The next one is the little boy elf, and he's holding a little stack of gifts. And this is great too because you can add patterns to the little packages. So you can add your own little designs or write a name on one since the large box is open. The next stamp we have is the girl and boy elf, and they're holding a sign. This sign is great because it's open again, so you can add a name in there or your own greeting, or you can add some of the sentiments included in the scent and just stamp it right on that center area. The last image is the little North Pole sign, and I love these little North Pole signs. This one has some snow on it, so you can add this to your card or project, or you could just add this to a little gift tag. Next, we're going to stamp each one of the included sentiments. I like that there's several in this set so you can mix and match. The first one that we have is what the elf ? And that's just so fun. I think that is just such a cute one. The next one we have is naughty or nice. And then we have you're on the nice list. There's no one elf like you. I just like smiling. Smiling is my favorite. I love that greeting. Then we have special delivery, which you could use on a baby card or a gift box or gift tag. That would be really cute. Next, we have Merry Christmas. And this one, I was going to stamp it just along the top, but then decided to show you how it looks within that box or that banner that they're opening. And do you see how it fits perfectly? And that's a great one to use with your other stamp sets or, again, a gift tag for the holidays. And then the last one is Holly Jolly. And here's just a close-up of all of the images and sentiments stamped out. I placed all of the coordinating dies over the images and the sentiments just to show you how they all fit. These sentiments are cut out to go around all of the little letters, so this is great if you want to layer it on top of a card or a background. I did pre-cut all of these out so you could see them and colored them up. Look how cute this one looks with the little girl and boy elf and our Merry Christmas greeting. Here is the little boy elf with his gift boxes or gift packages. Next we have the little girl elf with her jack-in-the-box toy. And then we have the little North Pole sign with the snow. And again, I love that it has snow added to it. It's so cute. And then I did pre-cut all of these little sentiments out as well, just so you can see how they look when they're cut out. Again, they're not cut out in like a rectangle or a large border. It's just cut out to kind of fit the greeting. So you could just layer this onto any project. This would also be cute to add a little layer to like a photo album or scrapbook, because then you could just add these to your pictures as well. So again, here is all of the little sentiments all cut out. And I didn't cut out that Merry Christmas because we had stamped it in that center banner. And here is a close-up of a project I created using the fun Santa Helper stamp set. I hope you enjoyed a peek at the new Santa's Helper stamp set and coordinating die set and are having a great day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.